Hello, everybody. Tim Manning here. I wanted to talk about something that I think will be very helpful for you to um, be successful when it comes to making money online. Now, I wanted to share this particular story with you because, and I don't know if some of you all may know of it, but the government just ended its shutdown, the longest shutdown in history, and a lot of people were out of income for a little over a month. So, what did this have to do with making money online? Well, hear me out. The pressure it has on someone's conscience of um, running out, right? The scarcity mindset is something that you're going to have to overcome in order to really have a sustainable business online. So there are a few S's I'm going to talk about, but in this particular video, I wanted to talk about the scarcity. Um, the scarcity mindset basically says that it's not enough for me. Now, is anybody exempt from pressure? No. It's all about how you handle it. So, one of the ways that people try to, and I'm going to hint on this just for a moment, is one of the ways they try to escape scarcity is by having security. Now, security in and of itself is not bad. When I say security, I'm talking about financial security. Security in and of itself is nothing wrong with it. But there is a when you're talking about taking risk, because that's what generate money online is. It is a form of risk. Um, you have to make sure that you remove the security aspect. Let me rephrase that. While you're in the process of going from one security to the other, from a job, right, to a more stable financial security, you're going to have to remove the scarcity, right, and leave the quote unquote job security, right? Does that make sense? So the job is one type of security, financial security, but the reason why you want to make money online is to have the more stable financial security. So you're going to have to make this shift mentally on removing scarcity and um, removing the or actually leaving the job security mentality, because that's one of the hiccups I think a lot of people have, is actually battling with those two. So what I want to do is that I want to, because I'm a true advocate of truth, and what I mean by truth is in order to have sustainable results, you need to make sure that you have the correct information. So I know you're probably in the process of gaining more information on how you can actually make money online. I provided a limited time access to a blog post that I created on just a few ideas that are popular on making money online. You may know of them, you may not know of them, but they're below. You can click the link somewhere around this video to access it. I hope you find it valuable. Once you read it, let me know what you think, and leave a comment if you have any questions or if you just like the post. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Peace.